Hello students. In this module you will learn division of polynomial by other polynomial or linear polynomial by long division method. Now our question is find the quotient and remainder by dividing the polynomial by 1 plus x. Now to do this question we will follow following steps. First step, write the dividend and divisor in standard form. Write dividend and divisor in standard form. And what is standard form? In standard form we have to write power of x in descending order. Therefore write power of x in descending order. After converting dividend and divisor in standard form, we will follow next step. Write dividend under the division sign and divisor outside this division sign. After this, you have to find first term of quotient. Now to find the first term of quotient, we will divide first term of dividend by first term of divisor. You have to take first term of dividend by first term of divisor and cancel common factor from it. You will obtain first term of quotient. Now 3x is our first term of quotient. Now multiply first term of quotient with divisor. Now multiply 3x by x and we know that 3x into x equal to 3x square. Write like terms under the like terms. Now multiply this 3x with second term of divisor. 3x into plus 1 equal to plus 3x. Now you have to subtract this product from the dividend. Now subtracting this product from the dividend, you have to change the sign of product. If here is plus sign, then you have to convert it into minus sign. Now next step, now 3x square plus 3x square and minus 3x square will cancel with each other. Now x minus 3x equal to minus 2x. Now right here x minus 3x equal to minus 2x. Now bring down the remaining part of this dividend here. Now these new terms, new result is known as our new dividend. Now it is our new dividend. Now again follow the same steps. Again this is our new dividend. Again follow the same steps. Divide the dividend first term by divisor first term. Then you will obtain second term of quotient. Now second term of quotient is minus 2. In next step you have to multiply this second term of quotient by divisor. Now if I multiply minus 2 with x, then I will get minus 2x. Now multiply this minus 2 with 1, then we will get minus 2. Again subtract this product from the dividend. To subtract this product from dividend, we have to change their sign. If there is minus sign, then we will change it into plus sign. Now simplify it. We know that minus 2x and plus 2x cancel with each other. Now minus 1 plus 2 equal to plus 1. After doing long division, you have to write what is your quotient and what is your remainder. Here quotient is 3x minus 2 and remainder is 1, which is your final answer.